All right, so we got professional brake line job, and I don't normally pick on people's brake lines. I'm like, you know what? Brake lines suck. And if they're not straight, who really cares? As long as they work and they're not interfering. But here we are, and here this is. I'm going to pick on these. All right, so that's going to be a leak soon. Give that a year or two. All right, so steel to Cooper nickel. First question, why? All right, that's right. That's a wood screw. And okay, well, that's gonna rub through there. And what else? Oh, let's see, maybe this. 4 foot, not attached to anything, resting on the exhaust. Yep, I'm gonna pick on that. And what is going on here? Okay. All right, well, that's one way to do it.